Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful 24-inch reddish brown wig that I got from Amazon. This is the pretty pink packaging that it came in. I love it because you know I love pink so much. And then it's also wrapped inside of a satin bag that says you deserve all the beauty in the world. I love it. And so inside it also came with 2 HD caps and a cute band. So inside you have an adjustable strap and also 4 combs. And here's a close-up of the lace. The knots are so small that you really don't even have to bleach them. Alright, so first I'm going around the perimeter of my head with the Ebin adhesive spray. And in this video I'm using nothing but heat. Usually I use the cool method to blow dry right here, but I'm not because I don't have my blow dryer that I normally use. So I'm going to go in and make sure it's dry all around, and then I'm going to add makeup. I have the Ruby Kisses, the number 12, and I'm going to go in with the lighter one first. Okay, so once you have the makeup on, then you're going to go from ear to ear and cut off the extra cap. Then you're going to wipe with alcohol around the hairline, but not exactly on the cap. So now I'm going to spray the entire lace with my medium brown lace tint. You want to try the wig on, make sure it fits perfectly, match it up with your hairline or whatnot. So once you match it up, you want to flip it back. Now it's time to glue it down. I use Ghost Bond. I've been using that for many years, and I'm going to use about 3 layers and make sure they're thin. You don't want to use too much glue because then it's going to be really caked up, and you don't want that. Lace into sections. Now I'm going to go in with the razor and then cut around from ear to ear. So when you're cutting the excess lace, make sure you get as close to the hairline as possible. And then I'm going to go in with some more makeup, and I'm going to blend the light shade and the dark shade and just tap it around the hairline. Spray it on my index finger and just tap I'll go in with that. I can't think right now. And just flatten out the hair. And then I'll use some water mixed with some deep conditioner. And now I'm going to try to flatten out some more and then work on my baby hairs. So now I'm using this cute little flat iron to kind of curl my edges. I got this from the TikTok girlies over there.
Boy, now you make me float.